Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make these easy barbacoa tacos. They're so delicious. You're going to want to try them. Let's get started. This is everything you'll need to make the barbacoa. I'll go ahead and list all the ingredients and measurements in the description below. Alright, so we're going to get started with the sauce. So we're going to go ahead and add one whole onion into our blender. Now we're going to add our chipotles. So I did about 4 chipotles, and then I also added a little bit extra sauce in there. Now I'm going to add about 5 garlic cloves. Okay. So we're going to do 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of lime juice, 1 can of beef broth, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin. Now we're going to blend all of our ingredients. And that is perfect right there. It's nice and smooth. So I'm going to be using this chuck roast that I picked up at the store. It is 2.5 pounds of meat. And we're gonna go ahead and chop this up into big cubes. Next, you're gonna wanna season your meat, and I'm gonna do salt and pepper. Every time we make this for a party, everyone loves it. All right, so it looks like we are all good with our salt and pepper. Now we're going to sear our meat in our Instant Pot. So I started to sear the meat in the Instant Pot, but it wasn't giving me that nice brown color that I was looking for, so I just took it to the pan to finish off the sear. So now that we have our meat browned, we're gonna go ahead and pour in our sauce. So just make sure your meat is under that liquid. And it looks great to me. Now I'm going to add 2 bay leaves on top. And we're ready to get started. Now go ahead and close up your lid. And make sure your knob is on sealing. Okay, so now we're going to hit pressure cook. And I am going to pressure cook this for about 45 minutes. And now it's ready to go. And now I'm going to show you guys how I make my avocado sauce for the tacos. So I'm going to add 2 avocados, 1 serrano, handful of cilantro, about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. You can use regular garlic if you want, but I'm just going to use this because it's a little quicker right now. Next I'm going to add some plain Greek yogurt. And then we're going to add some olive oil. And this is salt and pepper to taste. So you can always add more if you need to. And we're just gonna add a little bit of water. And now just add the juice of 2 limes. All right, now we're ready to blend it all together. And then just give it a taste and see if it needs anything else. That's good. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. And then I kind of want it, oh my gosh, it's a little spicy. Okay, now I'm gonna add just a little bit of extra water. And let's blend that up again. And this is gonna be our sauce for our barbacoa tacos. Okay, so now it's been on low for 15 minutes and I'm just gonna let the rest of the pressure out. And just let that release until our button goes down, and then we can open it. Oh snap. Okay, so that went down, now we can open it. Okay. Oh snap. All right, that's what I'm talking about. All right, let's check out the meat. All right, so it smells so delicious and it looks like it is ready to go. Now I'm just gonna add the meat over here so we can just shred it up. Let me check it out. Oh yes, 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 yes. You see how that just pulled apart right there? That is perfect. I'm gonna try a piece. That is delicious. Just gonna shred that up. All right, look at that meat right there. That was so quick and easy to shred. And there we go, guys. That is our barbacoa. Take that bay leaf out. Check it, make sure it doesn't need any salt. Make sure you guys like the flavor. Now we're ready to assemble the tacos. Look at that. So I like to just add a little bit of olive oil. And we're just gonna toast up our tortillas. These look perfect. Yes, they're ready. And now just go ahead and add your favorite toppings. We like to use shredded cabbage, queso fresco, and then the avocado sauce. It's so delicious this way, but you can eat it whatever way you would like. Alright guys, and that is it. That's how I made these barbacoa tacos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and like and comment down below, and you can also subscribe if you would like. Alright, so let's try these out. Oh my gosh. Man. Delicious. I gotta go because these are so good and I am starving. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, guys. Bye.